Camera A reading levels.
For me?
Yeah.
They're in my... I'm sleeping though. I wouldn't have sunglasses.
They're like pins.
What?
They're like pins.
What do you mean
The
pin?
levels are all the way out.
Peaked?
Peaked. What does that mean? Sound. We've had a few sound issues.
Guys, please don't drink water over the deck, ever.
One of the big problems, having seen the finished product, was sound.
I'm the Sandman, not the actor.
We actually had to record scenes with the Cadillac driving while it sounded like a bulldozer.
Oh, shit.
It was, just horrendous. And so any real looping or post-production or any kind of forethought that we'll get this sound later and get it well wasn't put into the mix.
Give me this gun.
Hey, put down the gun and quit clowning around.
Move over, Thelma and Louise. Here comes Janie Peabody, pregnant, pissed off, and ready to party.
Load it.
Oh!
Dan, what happened to the thing?
The DAT refuses to record. I think the record button's broken.
So what does that mean?
It means we can't record sound anymore. At
Ever?
least, well, we're pretty much done with the movie, but yes. If I had to sum up Help Wanted sound in 3 words, it would be, it's not my fault. Sound was probably the single biggest issue on Help Wanted, and that's saying a lot because there were more issues on Help Wanted than I want to think about.
All right. Quiet on set, please.
And during shooting, no one can move around. I guess he's picking up.
Quiet on set, please.
Making an announcement, Greg. Hold on 1 second, okay?
I haven't had a decent bowel movement in days. Weeks.
Cut. Okay, let's take it back to 1, please.
Oh.
32-24. Let's settle.
Hold the phone.
Cell phone.
The problems were numerous, but the fundamental one was the fact that Help Wanted was chronically unfunded, and we didn't have money for the equipment we really needed. And we also didn't really have money to secure locations that we need. There's a reason most things that are produced for television in Hollywood are shot on a sound stage. It's so they can have very tight control of sound and light levels.
Can you comprehend that?
Well, you can do something about light levels on location in remote spots. It's a lot harder to do something about sound.
Oh, the C5 guy!
There we go. Check it out, man.
With words.
Action!
Oh, before I forget, I think it's pronounced predicament, not predicament, whatever you said. Just consider it fucking. Oh, before I forget, I think it's pronounced predicament, not predicament. Just thought you might want to know, considering how precise you are and all. With words. How precise you are and all. With words.
So I have to be on the floor? Get that away from me. You think I'm kidding?
Really don't want to be doing that right now.
What did you think was one of the biggest problems with the film?
Sound.
Okay, and what about the sound?
It was not good. End of story.